Honestly, it looks a lot like Unturned 2.0. It looks bad. You should know about Unturned. Did you know about Vane? Just play Vane. Vane enters chat. Looks like Unturned. Why not just play Unturned? I made Unturned. The truth was, you guys were right. I made a Project Zomboid game that didn't even have a health system, moodles, inventory, or crafting. Of course, I did promise that if the video got 1,000 likes, I would add all of that, but I only said that because my videos have never gotten 1,000 likes before. I didn't actually think you guys would do it.
No, stop liking it. Stop liking the video. No!
The video got more likes, subs, and comments than all of my other videos combined. I was devastated. How could I have been so dumb? How could you guys do this to me? But the time had come. I had to deliver on the promises I made. It was time I turned this sorry excuse for a zombie game into the first-person Project Zomboid that it was always meant to be. But first, hi. Welcome to the channel where I make multiple new games every month. It's a tiny channel with only 10,000 subscribers, so if you're interested, subscribe or become a member for early access to new games and videos. Alright, so I began with the foundation for the rest of the update, the inventory system. To start, I just tried rebuilding a simplified version of the UI to work on creating all the functionality involved. I created an inventory script that I could literally attach to any object in the game. Then, with the same interactable script from before, I can access the items. I added the only item that we currently have in the game, the axe, and used it to test out transferring and equipping items in the UI. Now that the functionality was working, I pulled some screenshots from the actual game. For the health system, I cut out the body shape so that I could add my own injury and bandage UI anywhere that I wanted. I wrote a script so that each body part can be scratched and bandaged individually. Just like in Project Zomboid, I created an injury list to track the status of injured body parts. I added the ripped cloth item into the game and made the space key scratch myself so that I could test it all out. Now, if only I had a way to track our mood. Oh, right. One of my favorite parts of Project Zomboid UI is the Moodle system. These show you how your character is feeling throughout the game. But as you can see, there are a lot of Moodles, and I wanted to make it easy on myself to add any new Moodle with as little work as possible. So I wrote a Moodle script that will keep track of any value you want. All you have to do is convert the value from an arbitrary number into a percentage or a decimal between 0 and 2. The Moodle system will interpret this as good or bad and display the Moodle with the appropriate background color to signify just how good or bad it really is. After that, I was able to add hunger and thirst Moodles with just a couple clicks. Wait, what the heck is this Moodle? I've never seen this before. Brilliant. Plus 100 intelligence? Well, sign me up for that. Brilliant is where you learn by doing with thousands of interactive lessons in math, data analysis, programming, and AI. Brilliant is a platform where you're going to start learning on day one. Trust me, this isn't another massive reading assignment where you're going to barely remember what you just read. Brilliant lessons are interactive. So much so that half the time, you'll probably feel like you're playing a game. But you're not. You're actually taking courses handcrafted by an award-winning team of teachers, researchers, and professionals from MIT, Caltech, Duke, Microsoft, Google, and more. As any game developer will tell you, adaptability and problem solving is so much more important than memorizing topic after topic. That's why Brilliant helps you become better at thinking. And you can do all of this with just a few minutes out of your day no matter where you are. Brilliant's mobile app makes it easy to learn from just about anywhere right from your phone. If you haven't already, start learning to code today with Brilliant's growing number of programming courses. You'll start by just learning how to think in code, but before you know it, you'll have experience writing complex data sorting algorithms. To try out everything Brilliant has to offer for free for a full 30 days, visit brilliant.org/Hayden Johnson or click on the link in the description. You'll even get 20% off an annual premium subscription. Thanks to Brilliant for sponsoring, and now back to the video. Alright, so now we could get hungry and thirsty, but there was nothing to eat. So I went ahead and added about 20 or 30 food and drink items. I also added an inventory randomizer script that will automatically populate an inventory with random items in specific categories. At this point, the UI and controls were getting much more complicated, and I wanted to come up with a better system to manage it all. Maybe I could add more keys, or maybe I could use the mouse, or maybe... Oh, right. I'm still just copying somebody else's work. Project Zomboid offers these option menus for things that have a lot of options. So I created a pop-up menu that shows up when you click on an interactable object. And this shows what options you have as well as what key you need to press so you don't have to use the mouse. Now I wanted to build out the disassembling functionality. In Project Zomboid, this allows you to get raw materials like nails and wood by disassembling furniture. To do this with most wooden objects, you just need a hammer and a saw. So I hopped in the Blockbench to model the hammer, garden saw, nails, scrap wood, and wood plank. Honestly, I think I did pretty good matching PZ's original design. I added the items into Unity and created a hammer animation for disassembling. When the animation is complete, it destroys the object and spawns a random selection of raw materials. Now I know what you wondering, Hayden, what the heck am I going to do with a plank and 4 nails? Barricading your windows, of course. Just like in PZ, I added the ability to barricade up the outside and inside of windows. A fully barricaded window has about 4 times as much health. You can even close up broken windows now. After that, I made a ton of little improvements that we really needed. I made every piece of furniture disassemblable so you can take apart the entire kitchen. I added a sink so that if the zombies don't kill you, the tap water definitely will. And as requested, I added some knockback when you kill a zombie to make it more satisfying. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I toned down the knockback, but it's still kind of ridiculous. I gave the zombies the ability to grab you for a second so that you can get caught in some pretty terrible spots. Also by request, I turned off multi-hit, so now the combat feels a lot more like the real game. I added scoring based on your time alive and zombie kills, which displays when you die, and many more little fixes and improvements. I'm honestly terrified to say this. If this video gets 20,000 likes, I will actually add multiplayer to the game. I've never done that, so feel free to not smash the like button.
You're not really fine, but you just can't get into.
And with that, here's my wife playing the game for like the 3rd time in her entire life.
Okay, I have to hold the baby while she plays, so I'm on baby duty. It's for real. This one's for real.
Okay, now I gotta learn how to. Oh, I wasn't expecting that to start so soon. Okay, I want this, and I want these, and I want.
Oh, get that garden saw so you can disassemble.
Well, don't I just hammer it?
No, you need the saw too.
Bruh. Will it drop the stuff?
No.
What? You have to hold down Z? What?
No.
Oh, I didn't think I moved. Wait, how do I open it?
Click.
Well, what was the hotkey? Oh, sheesh. I was trying to pull a Hayden Johnson with that last one.
Nice.
I'm sweating. Come this way, man. What were they doing, bro? I don't know.
Okay, and then to pick that stuff up off the floor, you can just press E.
Wait, but I don't have any rags. I don't have any rags yet, babe.
Oh, you don't?
No.
That's dangerous.
I know. I'm sweating too. Open. Open.
Why didn't you grab that food?
Cause. Okay, I'm okay. That was an accident, honestly. Whatever I did.
Are they behind you? Check behind you before you open it.
Well, I need some sort of rag. I'm so nervous. I'm so nervous. I don't have any rags yet. Wait, can I open this? Oh, bruh.
You're playing like crazy, man.
Ah! Oh no. Oh no, I'm a boss.
But are you scratched?
It doesn't matter if I am or not. Nice. There was one. It was rigged from the start.
There's other ripped cloth in the building.
Well, this is where they all were, man. Listen, I don't appreciate your commentary. It's stressing me out.
Hey, 3 minutes.
And 16 zombies.
Jeez.
Oh my gosh, I'm so hot. You really stressed me out near the end.